10 foods with high protein and low calories. Finding foods that are rich in protein yet low in calories is a smart strategy for maintaining muscle, supporting weight loss, and boosting overall health. Fortunately, you don't have to choose between nutrition and taste. Here are 10 excellent options that offer impressive protein content without adding too many calories to your diet. 1. Quinoa, often mistaken for a grain, quinoa is actually a seed that provides about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. It's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's relatively low in calories and packed with fiber. 2. Greek yogurt. Thick and creamy Greek yogurt offers roughly 15 grams of protein in a 6-ounce serving. It's low in fat, especially non-fat versions, making it a great choice for a high-protein, low-calorie snack or breakfast. 3. Lentils. These small legumes deliver about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. They're also rich in fiber and minerals, which help keep you full longer, all while maintaining a low-calorie profile. 4. Chicken breast, a classic lean protein. Chicken breast contains around 31 grams of protein in a 3.5-ounce serving. It's low in fat and calories, especially when grilled or baked without added oils or sauces. 5. Edamame. Young soybeans, or edamame, are not only tasty but also high in protein, offering 17 grams per cup. They're easy to prepare and can be enjoyed as a snack or added to salads and stir-fries. 6. Cottage cheese. This dairy food packs 28 grams of protein per cup, with relatively few calories depending on the fat content. Low-fat or fat-free versions are especially good for keeping calorie intake in check. 7. Turkey. Lean turkey meat, especially from the breast, provides about 29 grams of protein per 3.5-ounce serving. It's a great alternative to red meat and works well in a variety of dishes. 8. Shrimp. Shrimp are low in fat and calories but high in protein, offering 24 grams per 3.5-ounce serving. They're also a source of important nutrients like iodine and selenium. 9. Tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu delivers around 10 grams of protein per half cup. It's low in calories and incredibly versatile, easily absorbing the flavors of the dishes it's cooked with. 10. Egg whites. Egg whites are a pure protein source, containing about 11 grams per cup. They are virtually fat-free and have minimal calories, making them ideal for anyone watching their weight. Each of these foods provides a smart way to boost your protein intake without consuming too many calories. Whether you're trying to build muscle, lose weight, or simply eat healthier, these 10 options are practical, nutritious, and easy to include in daily meals. Let your plate reflect the balance between protein power and calorie control, with these nutrient-dense choices leading the way. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.